Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled peppers. First, gather your fresh peppers and sterilize your canning jars. You'll need a simple brine of vinegar, water, and pickling salt. We'll cover selecting the best peppers, preparing them, and then processing them safely in a water bath. This method ensures delicious, crisp pickled peppers for your enjoyment. Begin by washing your peppers thoroughly under cool running water. Remove the stems and seeds, then slice them into rings or strips, depending on your preference. Next, prepare your brine by combining equal parts white vinegar and water in a saucepan. For every cup of liquid, stir in 1 tablespoon of pickling salt until it fully dissolves. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil. Carefully pack your prepared peppers tightly into clean, hot canning jars. Pour the hot brine over the peppers, ensuring you leave 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim. Use a non-metallic tool to remove any trapped air bubbles, then wipe the jar rims clean. Place the jars into a boiling water bath canner, ensuring they are fully submerged. Process for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the hot jars from the canner and place them on a towel to cool undisturbed for 24 hours. Once cooled, check that the lids are concave, indicating a good seal. Any unsealed jars should be refrigerated and consumed promptly. Store your properly sealed pickled peppers in a cool, dark place. They are best enjoyed after a few weeks, allowing flavors to meld.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.